Morning students, today you are going to learn about the graph in chapter 3. Now let us see what is the graph. Definition about the graph. Graph is just a visual method. Graph is a visual method for showing relationships between the given numbers. Numbers, that is including integers, positive numbers and negative numbers and zero. Everything is included. Okay. So relationship between the numbers. Already you learned. That last year we finished, okay, how to mark the given numbers on the number line, that is what, horizontal line. Okay, so already we studied how to represent integers on the number line horizontally. Now let us take another one. Okay, now let us take another one number line. So more one line vertically, that is the vertically, another line, that is horizontal line is called the x-axis, then vertical line is called a y-axis. Okay, we take the graph sheet keeping both number lines, okay, perpendicular to each other. Then in this middle, okay, the two lines are perpendicular each other. At 0 is given in the picture, in that middle, that intersecting lines, okay, the two lines, horizontal and vertical lines, meet at in one point. Okay, this one is an x-axis, this is the horizontal line is for x-axis, the vertical line is y-axis. The two lines are cut at one point, that is origin. Okay, that is 0 0. Okay, that is 0. Okay, middle center point, that is intersecting point, that is origin, that is called origin. Both sides 0. In this side, right hand side, okay, in the x-axis, that one side positive, another side negative. Okay, first right hand side, okay, so 1 2 3 it's going on positive numbers, these sides fully positive numbers we have. So left hand side, okay, below 0, that one minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 it's going on, these are negative numbers. Okay, in that x-axis, right hand side positive, left hand side negative numbers. The same like in that y-axis also, upside and downside. You have to split this one up in that y-axis, upside and downside. Upsides, all the numbers are positive. Okay, positive 1 2 3 it's going on. The center is 0. Okay, the cutting point, two lines cut at a point, that point is 0. This 0 is common for both x and y-axis. So here downside, upside positive means just opposite. Positive or the opposite is what? Negative. So here downside, all the numbers are negative numbers. So in this x-axis, right hand side is positive, left hand side is negative. In this y-axis, upside is the positive numbers, downsides are negative numbers. Okay, this is the formation. You just first work is you just draw the x and y axis. After that you mark all the numbers. Okay, you can write all the numbers, positive and negative numbers, including 0. Okay, integers, everything you can mark it on that line. After that only you can mark the given points. So here we can have 4 parts. Okay, here 1 2 3 4. Is this after finishing the after this one x and y axis, you will get, okay, 4 quadrant. You can split the graph sheet into 4 quadrant. So this is the first part. So this is called first quadrant. This is the second part. This is called second quadrant. Okay, quadrant. So this is the third part. Third part is this one, third quadrant. This fourth part is called fourth quadrant. In this first quadrant we have, okay, in the x-axis positive, here y-axis also positive. In this first quadrant, plus and plus we will have x and y-axis. What are all the numbers? In positive numbers in x-axis. Here in this y-axis also we have positive numbers, both in the first quadrant. See, now see the second part. Okay, second quadrant. Here all that one, in the x-axis is the minus, negative numbers. In the y-axis is a positive number. So here negative and positive. In the second quadrant we will have negative and positive. X-axis negative, in y-axis positive. In this third quadrant, okay, now let us see the third quadrant. In this third quadrant we will have, so x-axis and y-axis both, okay, we have only negative. Here also in this x-axis also minus number, in this y-axis also minus number. Okay, in the third quadrant, it's just opposite of the First in the first quadrant both positive, in the third quadrant both negative. See the now let us see the fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant, in the x-axis is positive, y-axis negative. Okay, so in this fourth quadrant we have x-axis in that plus number, and okay, x-axis plus number, in that y-axis minus number. Plus and minus, positive and negative, just opposite of the second one. See the second quadrant, that is minus and plus. Here negative and positive. In this fourth quadrant, just opposite of positive and then negative. So always you can mention the first x-axis numbers only. For example, you can mark any point x comma y, means always x. You can mark the first point in that x-axis. Okay. Second point, always you can mark the second part in that y-axis. Second number is the y-axis. Is it clear? In that middle is origin, that is starting point. Origin means what? Starting point. So that is 0, 0. 0 is common for both x and y-axis. That's all. Now how to mark the numbers? Let us see the plotting the given numbers. Okay. So here you can divide 14th line in that horizontal line. In vertically you can divide into 2 equal part, that also 9th line. Okay, totally 18 is there. So you have to divide the 9th line. You have to draw that 9th line. Okay, so here x-axis in the 14th line, in that y-axis in the 9th line. Okay, so you have to draw like this. Mark the x, x dash, y, y dash, everything. Scale, starting itself you must write the scale. Scale means here you can, how you can give the numbers. Okay, the counting numbers. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, that counting only, each one 1 centimeter. Okay, the difference between the 0 and 1 and 2, everything is 1 centimeter difference. So you have to measure. So first you have to write the scale on the top. Okay, how to write? X-axis, in that x-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit only. Okay, 1 unit counting numbers. Here in that y-axis also we are giving 1, 2, 3 counting numbers only, each one 1 centimeter. So y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Okay, like that you have to write the, this is very important, the scale is you have to write upside on the right side. Okay, here listen, in the right side on the top only you have to write the scale. So after that only you can start to mark the given numbers. Okay, now let us see the first one. So the given number, you can give the names also. Point A. Point A is 2, 3. Let us take the point A, 2, 3. Point A, 2, 3. Okay, 2 is in the x-axis, 3 is in the y-axis. 2 is positive only. Here they are not giving any sign, means that is understood positive. So plus 2 and plus 3 both are plus. So that number comes in the first quadrant only. So here in that x-axis plus 2 is here, plus 2, and in that y-axis 3. X-axis 2, y-axis 3. So by using the scale you have to put the dotted lines like this and then mark A, 2, 3, first point over. See the next second one, minus 3 plus 4. Second point B is the given minus 3 and plus 4. So here the minus 3 is in the x-axis, negative side, minus 3. Using your scale and then put the dotted line like this, minus 3 and plus 4 is here. This minus 3, first number in the x-axis, 4 is in the y-axis. Still that you can, by using the scale and then mark like this, the dotted lines. Okay, then joining point, you have to put the point here B, that is point B minus 3 and 4. So now let us see the third point. Okay, is it clear? The third one, C. Point C is minus 2 minus 4. See here, point C, the first one is x-axis, second one is y-axis. Both are minus numbers. So that number, mark it in the third quadrant. Okay, minus 2. Here, again by using your scale, put the dotted line like this. Here minus 4, where it is here. Then here also you have to draw the dotted lines. So the two lines joining that point. Okay, mark that point. Okay, -2 and -4. That is point C. -2, -4. Okay. Now the third last one. Okay, D. Point D is +5 -2. Point D is +5. Where is that +5? Here. +5 in that x-axis. Okay, +5 and then -2 here. In that y-axis -2 is here. +5 and -2. That is point D. 5 and -2. Okay, are you able to follow? So both number having positive number means, okay, both numbers are positive means you have to mark that in the first quadrant. Okay, so first one minus and plus means that number comes in the second quadrant. Both are minus means, okay, positive, negative and then negative means that is in the third quadrant. Then last one positive and then negative, plus and minus. First plus then second minus means that number comes in the fourth quadrant. Is it clear, students, how to mark the given numbers?